Alright, got my order. I don't know why. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good afternoon from Taipei, Taiwan. So, I was just gonna make a quick video today. I was gonna check out Din Tai Fung, the restaurant. It's a very popular restaurant here in Taiwan, as well as many other places in the world. This restaurant is like all over the world, but it originates here. So I was gonna go get some food over there, check it out. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. I figured I'll try to avoid like the lunch rush and dinner, but I heard that the wait could be up to like 45 minutes here. I think I said before that I wouldn't wait long for food or something like that, but yeah, I wanted to document it. Yeah, one of the most popular restaurants here in Taiwan. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab the rest of my stuff and start heading over there. I'll see you guys in a bit. And I can never tell what the weather's gonna be like here. It's like raining a little bit. Yeah, I'm so happy for these like overhangs like this because it's super windy right now. And not sure if I could have my umbrella open. It'll just like flip out or whatever because of the wind. Yeah, it's not raining too bad. Should be alright. But yeah, I can't tell the weather because there's no window in my room, so I always bring out my umbrella. I brought it out that one time and it was like sunny all day. I forgot I wanted to check out that restaurant, Saizeria. I really enjoyed that food, I remember. And it's like one of the cheaper spots in Japan. I think it's supposed to be in this building. There it is. One?
Are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
USA.
Thank you.
It says 8 to 12 minutes. Not bad. I'm fucking hungry as hell. You order on the phone. Alright, I'll get back to you guys after I'm done ordering. And they have like instructions here. Can't wait till I get it. Alright, I got my order. I don't know why I thought that fried rice would be bigger, but it looks really good. Alright. I'm good. Try this fried rice. Yeah, rice seems pretty basic, but yeah, I've never seen this kind of meat before. Really good. The rice just tastes like fried rice. I think that was like $12. I don't think that's worth $12. And the dumplings are so juicy. I'll never get tired of that.
油豆腐细粉。铁汤匙哦，5一个。不知道它是哪个？很好，这个是烧腊汤。大油要几份哦？大油要几份？烧汤里面有四份。
I don't know what else to say. Everything's good. I just feel like the fried rice isn't worth the money, but still good. I will get back to you guys in a bit. Good meal. Yeah, it sounds like it's raining outside. But yeah, those dumplings were really good. Yeah, like I said, the fried rice was kind of bland. The meat was a little dry. It was okay. Definitely not worth that money. Ooh, it's raining a lot. I think I brought my umbrella. Man, it's raining crazy. It's raining crazy out there. It's a good thing I decided not to go to jiu-jitsu today. That would have been a crazy walk. But yeah, back home safe. Everything went fine. That'll conclude my video for today. I know it wasn't much. I just wanted to show that one restaurant. I was gonna go anyway. I figured I should make a video about it. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.